All right, ladies and gentlemen, on the right hand side, we have a saucepan with our can of green beans in there. And we got them kind of a medium heat, just letting them heat up some. On the left, we have our water boiling for our rice. All right, we're ready to add our rice to our water. And as usual, we don't do any measuring over here. We just put the right amount in there. Now we're going to give that a stir, make sure all of it gets into the water good. And we're going to take that off, set it over to the side, cover it up, let it do its thing. All right, we've browned up our pound of ground beef here. And I don't know, one of them drainer things. So we're just going to take the meat, move it over to one side, kind of push it up, separate it from the grease. Get the grease on one side, and we're going to add our flour in and make some gravy. Time to add a little bit of seasoning. We're not going to do any salt, trying to lay off the sodium, so we're just going to add a little bit of ground up cayenne pepper and get that stirred in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've had our grease and our flour browning together here. Now we're going to put our water in, get it stirred together good. We're going to kind of just mix our meat in with our gravy there. Make sure it's all together good and proper. And here you just, you add more water as you need. I don't know the exact amount. I mean, you can put too much, but a little much really isn't going to hurt anything because we're going to slow it down and simmer it for a while. So if you get just a little too much, don't worry about it because it'll thicken back up as it simmers. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have the finished product. Those people that know me know I don't brag. I'm not arrogant. But for a very simple dish, this is pretty doggone amazing. Hope you try it. Hope you enjoy it. And as always, thank you for watching.